everyone, welcome back to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful cooking videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy Caesar salad dressing. It's savory, it's creamy, and it's so easy to make. Let's go through the ingredients, and then I'm going to talk a bit about the substitution in case you don't have all the ingredients in your pantry. What we need is 1 cup of cashews, raw cashews soaked in 1.5 cup of hot water for at least 4 to 5 hours. Pumpkin seeds, half a cup, soaked in hot water for 1 hour. If you don't have time to soak or forgot to soak, then just use it raw. Hemp seeds, 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 4 to 5 black pepper seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 cup of yeast. Now let's see where we can substitute some of the ingredients. So if you don't have cashews, or if there is a nut allergy in the house, then you can replace the cashews with just pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. Just make sure that your seeds are soaked. Now the soaking is going to help make the salad creamy. Hemp seeds you usually don't need to soak, but if you have time and if you remember, soak it. Now one trick as far as meal planning is concerned is I soak my seeds and nuts in bulk. So I would I usually soak 4 cups of let's say cashews and a couple cups of pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds or mixture of it, and I portion it out and freeze them, so I always have them handy. Now once your nuts and seeds are soaked, there is not much to do here. You are just going to put everything in a blender and grind it down for 2 minutes. So once you have the ingredients ready, all you have to do is to put it in the blender and grind it until it is little grainy, little coarse. You want to avoid making it too pasty or too soft and very fine in texture. You want to achieve that little bit of graininess to get that Caesar salad dressing texture. Once you grind it into that little coarse grainy consistency, it's done. I mean, look how nice and creamy it looks. You can use it as a salad dressing. You can use it as a dip. Again, use your imagination. Please don't get stuck in the recipe. As I was mentioning it, you can easily do the substitution with instead of Worcestershire sauce, you can substitute with maple. You can skip all the nuts and just stick to all the seeds. I mean, you use this as a base recipe and work on flavors. That's where all the fun is. I'm just going to put it on this pepper and try one. It's savory. It has that umami flavor. It has a little bit of coarse, grainy texture, and it's perfect. So much better than any outside dressings or spreads you can get, and literally so easy, so cheap to make. Now remember, because it is nut and seed heavy, it is calorically dense. So I don't want you to go crazy on this, but it's a good once in a while substitute to have if you are craving for something creamy on your salad or as a dip or in your wraps or even on top of your sweet potatoes. So I hope you guys will try it. Thanks again for watching. Send me those questions, comment. Please share the videos with your friends, family, whoever need to lose weight, lower their A1C, or avoid their next heart attack. Again, please reach out for any help or questions related to nutrition. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.